Good morning, good morning, good morning, JV, Mr. Spice. 6 in the morning somewhere, and early bird catches the worm. So we are starting the day with a video. Quick, easy video today, something different. Nice, quick, easy salad, right? Got some dried cranberries, right? Got some crumbled blue cheese. I have some washed blueberries. I have 5 green apples, 1 romaine head that I already soaked in some water, cleaned it. We got lemon, lime, orange. I got lemon juice to soak the apples, and some grapefruit juice. Pepper, salt, pepper somewhere, a whisk, mixing bowl, and some oil because I'm gonna make the vinaigrette as well. All right, so let's get started real quick. So what we're first gonna do is just cut the lettuce, which is very simple. So you know this little nut part right here. Just cut that off. And you look here to see where that circle part is at. You can cut that. You can cut that. You don't want that. Same thing here. Right? Very, very easy. Right? I don't go too far high because see it gets a little crappy. Garbage. That's me. A lot of people like serving, you know, those things, but I'm very particular. I don't serve those things. So. Got your lettuce right here, plate. So all we're gonna do is make a little bed of lettuce and keep it high into the center. That's it, just like that. See, very, very simple. Give it some height, give it some, squeeze it together, give it some tuck. That's it, done. Any of the excess, take it off. Use it for another salad. And that is that. Okay, clean as you go. Cleanliness next to godliness, right? So, next, we are going to cut, since we already have this set up, we're going to cut the apples. So, I have a pan right here, and I'm gonna fill it halfway with the lemon juice. Very simple. And we're just gonna cut the apples. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Just cut around the core. This one still has a sticker. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then all you do is slice, not too small, not too thick either. And just throw them in that water. The lemon water is so the apples stay the color and do not turn brown. Very simple. Very simple. I'm just gonna finish this one and then you'll get the idea. Sharp knife, because you don't want to have any problems while you're slicing the apple, of course. And for salads, for some reason, they pick green apples. I don't know, like they have a better bite and texture to them than the red ones. I really don't have an opinion on that, but this is what I'm told by customers and people who eat the salads that I make. So, just a little tip. So get the water, the lemon water nice and all over the apples, right? And that's done. We'll put these to the side. So, put the apples to the side. Get that bowl. This is salt and pepper. So, there's stickers on it. I'm not taking it off. I'm not gonna use it. So, first, roll fruit, right? Lemon, orange. The reason you do that, you loosen up the stuff in there so that you can juice it. So, right? And here's a little cheat. So, the grapefruit juice or white cranberry juice, right? I take about a cup of that and I pour it in the bowl first. I like the ruby red grapefruit juice for the color, because it gives a color to the vinaigrette that we're about to make, right? So now, we're just gonna cut all of these and get them ready to juice. Nice beautiful fruit. And then, all we're gonna do is juice them in there. Like so. Worry about the seeds and stuff. You can always take that out later. Worry about any of that. So just get all the juice you can, right? And this is for the citrus vinaigrette. It's going to be with the salad. Nice, light, easy vinaigrette, but it goes good with fruits. So it was 1 cup of, actually it was like 3/4 of a cup of the ruby red grapefruit juice, 2 oranges, 2 lemons, 2 limes, and then we're just gonna finish it off by whisking in some oil, bring it up. That's it. It's not a vinaigrette that we're trying to emulsify like that. We're just getting it nice and together. So look, salt, pepper, a couple shakes, of course, and then my mixed pepper, of course. Get that contrast. All right, whisk, oil, and just a touch of oil, nothing crazy. Probably about a half a cup of oil, depending on your content. See, just like that. See the color? Nice, pretty, vibrant. That's it. So there we go, citrus vinaigrette. Put that to the side. Clean as you go. Okay, so now back to the bed of lettuce, right? So watch how easy this gets. Bed of lettuce, blue cheese, cranberries, blueberries, and the star of the show, which is the apples. So you take a handful of those apples with the lemon juice. Oh, first of all, sorry about that. Season the greens. There we go. Salt, pepper, cracked pepper, of course, too. Okay, now take a handful of those lemon apples that you got, right? Form a nice little, just like that, right? Just nest it on there. Nice and simple. It is an apple salad, so you can never have too much of that. Okay? Boom. Make it as nice as you can. Doesn't have to be, try to make it nice. Okay, so now you have your little nest, right? Okay. Follow that with the dried cranberries, just a handful, like so. And just let that drop nice like that, right? Don't overkill the cranberries, but you know, you get the point. Then follow that with the blueberries. Boom. Awesome. It's okay. Just like that. Now, follow that with blue cheese. Just sprinkle that on. Sprinkle that on. See? You can toss this salad, right? But if you do, everything is gonna get on the apple. So this is why I did it this way, to show you guys how to just make it look as pretty as possible, to me, in my opinion. And that's your salad. I'm gonna just clean the brim a little. And clean up. Clean the brim. And I'm gonna get that dressing on there to show you. So I'm gonna finish it with the cracked pepper. I'm gonna finish it with a vinaigrette. So whisk the vinaigrette again. All right. And I'm just gonna spoon some like that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now just drizzle it like so. See? And the sexiness is complete, just like that. Got that nice citrus vin. Finish it with the pepper. The pepper gives it a contrast. Look at that contrast. And look at that. Look at that. Nice, beautiful, easy apple, cranberry, blueberry, blue cheese salad. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. It's JV, Mr. Spice. Quick and easy salad today. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you learned something. Peace and love.